today we're going to be making a snowman out of a toilet paper tube. You're going to need a couple toilet paper tubes, some white paper, some black paper, some cloth, a glue stick, and some markers. Alright, so first off, take your toilet paper tube and use that to measure the width of the paper that you are cutting. The white paper is just going to cover the entire outside of your toilet paper tube. Next, use your glue stick to attach it. Doesn't have to be perfect. Alright, the next step is to give your snowman a little hat. For that, I just have some black construction paper. And I'm just going to cut a little strip off of it. I'm going to just generally line up the seam from the white paper and the seam from the hat so that I can put them both in the back. Next, I'm going to cut a scarf for my snowman. Now this is a bit of fleece material that I have, but you can use whatever material you have lying around, even if that's an old t-shirt or an old rag. I'm sure it'll still make a lovely scarf. I like to just trim the edges a little bit, add those little slits to my scarves. And then I am just going to tie this around. Doesn't actually need to be glued on at all. It stays pretty well. Scoot that around. Put that seam in the back there. Alright, now I do need a second toilet paper tube because I'm going to cut out some arms for our little guy. Just going to cut out some little fingers, make the arms a little bit skinnier. A little bit more twig-like. Alright, now to attach the arms, what I'm going to do is just take the point of my scissors and poke into my tube here. Some toilet paper tubes are a little bit more difficult to do this with than others. There we go. Just trying to make me look bad. And if it's not quite big enough, you gotta go back. When you get the hole big enough, just stick it in. Like I said, when you get the hole big enough. Stick it in, and then from the inside, you're going to want to fold it over so that it'll stay. And do the same thing on the other side. And fold that one over. Oh, I messed up his hat. He's got character. Now, we're going to draw on our face. Luckily, we've just used white paper, so can draw on that no problem. Some little coal eyes. Coal mouth. Some little buttons. And then, of course, the little guy in here needs a carrot nose. And that is how you make a snowman from a toilet paper tube. Now, you can just set these out for decoration, or you can stick it on a branch of your Christmas tree. Or if you want to give a gift to somebody, then you can stick some candy or whatever you want inside. And you've got a cute way to give a gift. I hope you guys have fun with this. Bye.